Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. Thank you guys for always showing me love on this channel. I don't take your love for granted, okay? So today we'll be talking about the top 8 healthiest food you should eat in the morning. Okay, so breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It helps provide energy after a long night and kickstarts the body's metabolism. Therefore, using good foods for breakfast is very important. So, if you love to know the top 8 healthiest foods you should eat in the morning, sit back, relax, let's dive into the video. Number 1 on my list, oatmeal. Oatmeal is the best breakfast choice for cereal lovers. Oatmeal is from oats, which contain a unique fiber called oat beta-glucan. This fiber has many health benefits, such as lowering cholesterol. Having a bowl of oatmeal or oat-based cereal for breakfast is an easy first step to improving your cholesterol. Number 2, chia seeds. Chia seeds are extremely nutritious and one of the best sources of fiber. In 28 grams of chia seeds provide 11 grams of fiber per serving. Moreover, part of the fiber in chia seeds is viscous fiber, which helps absorb water, increases the volume of food moving through the digestive tract, and helps to keep you full for a long time. Number 3, eggs. Eggs are tasty, healthy, and easy to cook. But more than that, you'll never get bored of the recipes that you can make with it. You can have a boiled egg in the morning if you are lazy, or make an omelette and serve it with toast. Number 4, flax seeds. Flax seeds help reduce abnormal cell growth in the body, including ones that cause breast cancer. When it's rich in fiber content, it also helps balance your body's insulin levels, so it can better manage the blood sugars in your body. Number 5, smoked salmon. Smoked salmon is a great option for breakfast because it's high in protein and healthy fats. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for overall health. Number 6, protein shake. Smoothies with added protein provide more than just an easy method to increase your protein intake. They are a great way to include veggies to your breakfast too. Number 7, Greek yogurt. Another excellent source of protein in the morning is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is abundant in calcium and contains bacteria that support a healthy gut and immune system. Number 8, the last on my list, fruits. If you are not into morning meals, start with fruits. There are lots of things you can make with the fruits of your choice, like a fruit salad or smoothies. So we've come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my videos, subscribe, turn on your bell notification. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I appreciate all. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.